welcome back to our channel. My name is Tori if you're new here, and this week we are doing a Walmart grocery haul. I have my little one here because she is just attached at my hip lately. I am not complaining, but it makes things a little bit tricky when it comes to filming, so I apologize. This week we did Walmart pickup and we focused on fresh produce and some healthy pantry staples that we were missing, as well as a few miscellaneous items because I was in a baking mood. So if you are interested in this week's grocery haul, make sure you stick around to the end. I'm going to be sharing our weekly meal plan as well as a quick recipe for a sweet treat to munch on throughout the week. So if you are interested in that type of content, make sure you hit that subscribe button if you have not already, and let's get into the video. We just got back from Walmart and I'm about to start this grocery haul. We did accidentally drop a bag of eggs, about a dozen of them. So instead of throwing them out, I'm just going to put them in this dish here. I mixed half and half salt and pepper and a little bit of butter on the bottom of the dish, and I'm going to bake it at 400 for about 15 minutes, and then I'm going to take half of it and use it for eggs for the rest of the week, and then the other half I'm going to cut up and then put it in the freezer for egg sandwiches throughout the month. And yeah, that's just another quick little tip that you could do in case any of your eggs break. This week we shopped at Walmart and I am going to show you what I got, and I will let you know the total towards the end of the video. So let's start over here with some produce. I have an easy Caesar salad, an easy Southwest salad. I have some spinach because if you are new here, I do like to add different greens and proteins to make them last a little longer. And then over here I have some fresh parsley. Some of you have asked, I keep a lot of fresh herbs here on my sink just because I like to grow them. They make me happy to see in the morning. So we have some basil, some green onions that I just buy at the store, and then put some water in there. We do have some succulents that we don't eat. And then over here we have some rosemary, so I'm gonna put some parsley right here. And then I do have some more green onions, some bananas. I have 2 tomatoes. I like the beefsteak tomatoes. I probably eat tomatoes every single day. And then lemons as well. We actually had to go back in the store and get them because I forgot. So shout out to my husband. And then these are some of the frozen items. So we have some peas, red raspberries, broccoli. The raspberries are great because my daughter is teething and I like to freeze them and then put them in this little thing, and she just loves to teethe on that and it seems to help her. And I have some frozen long grain white rice. I want to see if that works well with sushi, but I'm not sure, so I will keep you posted on that. Then I have some, all right, and then I have some mild guacamole mini cups. Those are super great to have on hand and they don't brown as easy, so it's just a nice single serving. Then I have the Tofurkey hickory smoked plant-based deli slices. I really love that stuff. And then some Country Crock plant butter. I usually get it in sticks, but I saw it was in the tub and it was a better price for the ounce, so I got that instead. I got some cubed ham. I did get some cheeses, the sharp cheddar and Colby Jack. And then I got some American cheese. I did get some mini cucumbers, vanilla frosting, navy beans, regular green beans, and coconut milk. I got some organic red wine vinegar. They were the exact same price, so I got the organic because why not? And then I got some multigrain crackers. They are really great to have with some of my homemade hummus, and some multigrain bread. I got some more flour. I did want the whole wheat, but they did not give it to me, so that's okay. And I got some olive oil, the extra virgin. You know I like to cook with that. Some granola, and then some powdered sugar for a recipe, dark chocolate chips for a recipe, and some baking cups for a recipe. I have some white chocolate and a dozen eggs. I told you about the other eggs. We have some of this French bread. This is nice to have and then freeze the other half. Then I have some everything bagels, which are super delicious. And then I have some milk. And some non-grocery related items are this Total Temptation Maybelline Brow Wiz. And then I really like e.l.f. Cosmetics because they are cruelty-free. And I get the Flawless Satin Foundation and the 16-hour Camo Concealer. And then I'm trying out the Not Your Mother's Beach Babe Toasted Coconut Dry Shampoo because mom life, but I will let you know if I like that or not. I'm really picky with my dry shampoos, so we shall see. And that is all we got from Walmart this week. In total, everything cost us around $104, and we shopped our pantry first, which always saves us money. And we also shopped through the Ibotta app, so a lot of these items I got money back on, and I believe in total this week we got about $11 back. So it may not seem like much, but to me that can go towards something bigger at the end of the month. This week my word is grateful. On Sunday night we are going to have some Marry Me chicken, and that is a Tiffany Beeston recipe, and I will drop that down in the description box below. On Monday, we are going to have salmon and tofu teriyaki with some Knorr sides and veggies. That was from last week, but we just never ended up eating it. We just had some leftovers that night. And then on Tuesday, we are going to switch it up and make some pizza. We're also going to have some big salads and probably some vegetables. And then on Wednesday, we are going to have some baked barbecue chicken, and I'm going to be trying out a new chicken. And then I'm just going to make my homemade mac and cheese with the potato, onion, and carrot sauce. And then on Thursday, I'm going to have some fajitas. We're going to do steak and vegetable with all the fixins, guacamole, sour cream, cheese, all that. Friday, we are going to have some leftovers. Really trying to do less with food waste this week, so leftovers is important. And then on Saturday, we are gonna have some burgers and sweet potato fries with probably another vegetable, and that is our meal plan for the week. I'm super excited. Let's get into this quick little sweet treat recipe that I kind of made up on the fly and wanted to share with you. It is so delicious and protein packed, so let's get into that. We are making these protein cups. I feel like I say this a lot, but this recipe is super versatile. So you can put whatever you want into these cups, but you're going to need some cupcake liners. You're going to need some white chocolate. White chocolate that I have is not vegan, but these dark chocolate chips are, and they are delicious. You're going to need some peanut butter or almond butter or some type of nut butter. And then I put in maple syrup, but you're honestly not going to need it. I didn't use it. And then you'll need some flax, chia, and hemp seeds. I'm just going to let the music play out, but first I melted my chocolate. You could do it at a double boiler or in the microwave, and I put them into the bottom of these cupcake liners, and then I layer everything in. There's no method here. Anything works. Just go with the flow and enjoy these protein cups.
When we
Childer's dream has come true. I just dropped all of the dark chocolate on the floor. You like chocolate, don't you? Oh, goodness. He's literally over here trying to put them in his mouth as fast as he can, so I won't put them back in the bag. That's too much. Oh my goodness. Toddlers. They're savages. Wilder. It's too many. Alrighty, my friends, that is going to do it for today's video. I really hope you enjoyed our haul, meal plan, and that quick and easy sweet treat for the week ahead. As always, stay adventurous, stay creative. I will see you next time. Bye.